Welcome. Let's have background designing using pictures. We have looked at patterns, texture, and others. Now let's look at what could be the simple processes of using pictures as your background into while designing. So you can continue to have this as something that is very important while trying to design your your website. So you can as well continue through the simple processes. You can go and have by all programs. You can go and pick from Microsoft Publisher. Then you launch your software. Then you go into all other processes by picking websites onto the menu. From the menu, then you go to website templates. Onto these website templates, you can choose the one that may really bring out the feel in you. You can change the colors from the color scheme in case you want and reach to those that may make sense. You can also change the font to something else, even navigations. From there you can as well say create, or you can press enter or press create. Then the program will launch the web pages. You choose the number of pages or the sites that you may want. You can interchange them as well as you may wish. Then let's choose like 5. Then you can as well say okay. After loading them, we shall see a definite change from color blue to color red that we have chosen. Then we shall continue to apply pictures onto our web page or into our website development. The pictures may reflect in the background. It's better you include the business name. From there you can as well. So when we continue, for instance, to develop the business name, you see the fonts that we have chosen are the ones that will be reflected in our mode of designing. So if this is what we are having, we may continue to go into trying to put a picture to our page. We may continue to look at this by trying to put that picture onto the pages we might be developing. So if we continue to have, we may as well grow the font here so that it may have our we may continue to do that so that by the time we put uh, the images inside or here and there, we can, it could be easier for us to apply the picture into the background. So let's go to the page options, because we are going to concentrate on a page. Then let's look at background and fill. Onto background and fill, go to more backgrounds. After more background, then pick pictures. When you pick pictures, it will bring a blank uh, dialog box which shows select a picture. Then it will bring a dialog box, which dialog box will be used to pick a picture from where you have kept them. So you may look for those pictures, uh, or you can as well search them. You can search them in case they might even be like wallpaper. I can as well have the wallpapers, no item. Yes, wallpapers, we have got them. So you can choose from the many that are available here to apply them to be part of your background according to the organizational goals and feel. So we may pick this as to be our background, then you say insert. So when you insert that to be the background of your website, then you can load it that it can reflect in the background. So I think now we can as well be evident to see that we have a background that is reflecting onto our web page. So our web page is now having a background, as you can see. So you can continue to have the wording into, or adding words into your website or web page after having inserted a background on it. Still, we can go and say insert. We can repeat the process, insert more pictures. Then you come to pictures, select from the available. So you have to be knowing the location of the the pictures. You might be dealing in real estates, you might be a sporting team, you might be dealing in motors or nature. So you can choose in accordance to what you want your website to show. You might be dealing in furniture and uh, interior. It could be interior designing. You can choose from the menu, then you apply to see will be previewed, then you can say okay, so that it can come and cover your web page. So here our web page has been covered with a background containing interior designing. So you can continue to come here and your your ability to design, then you come up with a clear view of the words that you may want to include. So briefly, these are the simple processes of adding uh, items, maybe like pictures into the website. Briefly, you can continue to have to add the words that you want and links, photos and others after having got to know how to add a picture as a background into your website. For now, we can end there. Can end there for now, and more of these other tutorials are available onto our channel, which is Northbridge. You can subscribe more of these tutorials. That is it for now. Thank you.